Okay, so here's how you'd get the answer for this. So here's the first way, and this is the way you probably remember. I got a radical negative 50, and the reason that you can't take the square root is a negative, but we learned how to take the square root now. It's you just stick an I on the end. So if you take the square root of 50, you stick an I, like you get 7.1 I. But there's a slightly different way to take this if you want to simplify it. The slightly different way to simplify it is go, okay, like this square root, I really can't take the square root of 50 nicely. But if I do 25 times 2, well, the square root of, 25 times 2 gives me 50. But I can do the square root of 25, which is 5. And then you just say, well, what's the square root of negative 1 in there? It's negative I. So you'd have this. The easy way to check like that this answer is the same as this on a test is you just go, okay, well, what's 5 times the square root of 2? And when you do that, you can see that you get the exact same answer. So this is the one that I kind of want for the test, but they wrote this on the answer key. So if you get like a multiple choice answer, you just sit there and you say, okay, 5 times radical 2, that gives me 7.1. So it's the exact same answer. For this one, just remember that any time that you have a square root, you have to have a positive and a negative. So this would be my positive, here's my negative. There's my negative, so I need a positive. So anytime you have a square root, you need to make sure that you have a plus or a minus.